Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm gonna be cooking a very simple, quick and easy Fideuá recipe. For our home cooking today guys, this is our ingredients. Bell pepper, tomato, white wine, squid, onion, garlic, and pasta. And now we will start to cook. Olive oil first. I'm using extra virgin olive oil, but you can use any oil available. We will put the squid first and make it brown. It takes about 5 minutes. When it's nicely brown, we will take it out from the pan. And then we will start to saute. First, the garlic. And then the onion. And we will wait that the onion will be soft and translucent. And next, we'll put the bell pepper. And now we will add fresh tomato puree. And then we will wait until the half of the liquid from the tomato evaporates. And now it's time to put back the squid. We'll mix it well and then we will pour the white wine and then let it simmer about 2 to 3 minutes. We'll add some salt and pepper. And now it's time to put our pasta. Then you have to mix it well. And then now we will add the fish stock that I'm here boiling in a separate pot. For 1 cup of pasta, I put 2 cups of fish stock, but you can add more if necessary. And for this kind of pasta, I will leave it cook for about 5 minutes medium heat and 10 minutes low heat. After 5 minutes, I will turn the heat down and let it cook for another 10 minutes. And finally, our fideuá is ready to serve. Bon profit! Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you like it, and please consider to give it a thumbs up. Or if you haven't subscribed yet, please click the subscribe button down there. And see you again on our next video. Bye!